Morning, we are heading out to the waterfall right between these two. It'll be nice weather. We're gonna meet some locals. We bring them some kava powder, ask their permission to go into the waterfall. Kava is made.
That banana, I like the
pearls. It's a freshwater pearls. The shell brings the color.
We're grabbing our things.
Okay. I want to stay more on the beach. Yeah. When I finish conference.
Here. Oh, sugar cane. Yeah, exactly. Oops, so beautiful. So kava. Coconut. Wow. We are heading down to the beach. Should be a sandy. It's nap time for everybody here. Where are we heading to?
To the beach.
Tree.
Breadfruit.
Breadfruit. Shalloms. And we have the beautiful beach. And I think the kids, do you think they told us the truth? Just this volcanic rock is amazing. And some other girl.
Somebody didn't ask the beach. With a finger. See? This is not the beach.
Yeah.
Further, there is also no beach.
The road. We asked for some coconuts to drink. Oh! Oh! Amazing! Amazing coconut. Kids playing.
Yeah?
On the other side, Sabu Sabu's right there. Rakas and his friends going to snorkel. We got some rain coming. Wow, very good. That's beautiful. Ah, perfect. We have a bus, we have some trees, we have a river with the boat, and a house. And you know what we need? Probably some fish in the river.
Yeah.
What can we make the fish out of? What do you think? The other guys are snorkeling over there. Now we're just playing with the kids. We join some people who live here. Nice. This is the Fiji life. Just chill like this.
Back home.
This is a rugby match. They made their rugby ball from one of the guys' t-shirts.
No.
The girls are just chilling in the water. So, yeah? Show me what you find. Wow, is it starfish?
Oh, that's it.
Nice, beautiful papaya. Ah, and there. On a sunny day, it would be even a more breathtaking view. Pink banana.
Ah, this is the original banana. Look.
With the seeds?
Yeah, with the big seeds.
the celebration of Holi happened yesterday because there is a Hindu community living in Fiji, so you may hear them singing right now.
They cut from the trunk. See, they slice. It's a system. It's a way to do it.
This is a kava root. Grows for 3 years.
There's alcohol.
You make a powder and then you have a drink.
It's people using it to just enjoy and get a bit of.
Oh God, we have to make this.
Yeah, it's very interesting, you know.
I slow down a bit.
But how it is so expensive?
I don't know why they.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You know,